So today we're going to get together with Najat, run up to Guy's house, see the progress on his Triumph track bike. He's added some braking parts, he's done some more paint work, he's closing in on coming up for the day. We're all going to run up there and buff the bike out. He's still got a little bit of paint work to do, but it's kind of a progress report. And we always enjoy riding around in Najat's Rubicon. Anyway, if you haven't seen a few of the videos of this bike before, Guy is learning the skill of painting from watching Windy videos, and it seems like he's making really good progress here. And I do enjoy just having a hangout day and making some fun commentary. And a hangout day in the middle of the winter, always a lot of fun. So today we're traveling by Rubicon. The man with the Rubicon. Get the sunglasses out, Mr. Rubicon.
No, that's already on the bike.
Okay.
This is ready for polish. I only wet sanded the front here because the back is fine. This is
Yeah, that came out
so
good.
this is the only part that I'm gonna polish. So this is ready for polish. I'm done with this. But like I said, I'm
Is this
gonna.
the original paint? Is this how it looked when you got it, or you?
No.
You got enough clear on here. You could
Yeah,
actually.
this one. This is what I want that to be like. I want
Yes,
just a little
yes.
bit more. So this is.
But
This is
not
ready
only
to get
that,
polished.
get used to being real fussy. You see, that's an edge. That really shiny. Let me get on a macro lenses. That little shiny area.
Right.
When you polish, just polish that a little more. You know what I'm saying? Hold the buffer on it for 30 seconds or something more. But don't polish the edge.
No.
Does this need to be clear
And
coated
don't
now?
polish this corner.
It's already cleared. I just wet sanded it to polish
This,
it.
we could have buffed
okay.
this today if you want.
But this is the only part of this that I'm polishing, because this you're not going to see. This is what you're going to see. The tank I want to get a little more so I could cover the decals, and then that's ready to go. But
when you're done with this, we'll have the Guy buffing party.
exactly.
There'll be a generous amount of pepperoni pizza and rubbing compound.
And this I wanted to hit. I'm going to clear one more time, so it.
Did I give you the 8065 yet? You got some,
What's that?
right? 80 that compound. I must have given it to you.
No. You gave me the that it was a little thin white stuff to put on the wheels. I got to give you.
Now, as part of the process, Guy got in conjunction with his wife Pam, they got a Cricut decal making machine. It's a cutter, and made the unique Triumph decals from vinyl. And that's one of his concerns, is to cover them with enough clear that you can't feel them.
Touch because of the decals, but everything else here, this is.
You got to be real careful here that you don't. You got to get more clear on there, for sure.
Absolutely, yeah.
And hopefully, when you're done, you can't feel. You don't want to feel that.
Yeah. So right now, like I said, I could use a couple more coats. I think I'm.
Yeah. I would paint this, with a little extra, but don't get runs.
Mm-hmm.
But you've got it, and all these. See, you're doing a smart thing, not going on the edges.
Right. I'm trying to stay away from.
If you're done, you can always go back with a bare hand and get that little dot out. But if you go through with the machine,
Because
it's done.
I don't now. Again, I've been practicing so much. I don't mind doing the wet sanding now. I could sit here all day and do this.
Yeah, turn the music on.
Yeah.
Turn on some of that Luciano music.
Exactly.
Oh my God, yeah, that's gonna be.
If you
This is
don't
gonna be
rush it,
sweet.
it's fun.
Yeah, no, like I said, what am I?
And the fairing, you got the whole. Where's the lower piece? Is the lower piece here?
The lower piece, well, my mother-in-law's in there.
Oh, no,
The
no,
lower
leave it.
piece is hanging up.
You put it on your mother-in-law's bed.
If you look in the window, you can see it. It's hanging
No,
up.
that's your mother-in-law's.
And then I have the rear seat that I have to now. The rear seat's I got to do in stages.
Okay,
I'm gonna do a couple of light coats.
All right.
Sit for a few days.
and then we're gonna
Go
plan.
back and do a couple more.
Yeah,
coats.
when you're ready though, we're gonna have. When you got it all wet sanded out like this, and
Yeah.
you're all ready for the final buffing, you pick the day. Have at least one of those jars that's 8065. I'll bring up the industrial buffer, and we'll get the whole thing done in one day. And maybe we
I
even
heard
get
pepperoni pizza and some more.
pepperoni and buffing compound.
I heard pepperoni.
You will be the king of MotoGP. So after all this mumbo jumbo about Brembo,
So what's this? So that didn't have this piece on there. This was.
Are you sure this is a
wasn't-
real Brembo?
This
Yeah,
wasn't
see,
carved
this
in.
is cast.
See, I knew it was cast.
Right. And the letters are
Raised?
raised. Yeah,
And
yeah.
look, you look inside, and it didn't have this stripe at all.
okay, so anybody watching this
this?
video, this is a
Oh,
real
and it doesn't
Brembo.
have this little serial number thingy here. Look
Yeah.
at that. That little QR code.
Yours
thing.
is a better fake.
It's a better fake. Correct.
This is not the real one. The real one has pepperoni pizza up here. Well, well, you learned one thing out of this day.
I could have sworn it was
It's too
attached.
funny. When you
We
said
don't
that,
even know what the hell we're talking about. But we do have a lot of fun.
I love laughing at
And
myself.
in the end, having more fun.
I'm laughing at Luciano.
Having more
oh,
fun is
even more fun. Yeah.
Now, Guy's been fighting the weather. We've had some really bad weather and not appropriate for painting, but he had to redo the seat. I didn't get a picture of the seat. I think it's hanging in his mother-in-law's bedroom or something. But anyway, we're going to ultimately have this all in clear. Did you ever ride a real motorcycle? This is a man's motorcycle. How much? You got a Triumph. Why would you want this one?
Not this one. I want the Rocket.
You want the Rocket. Yeah, me too.
Which one is this?
Thunderbird.
What year?
16.
Really? They made Thunderbirds up until 16?
Last year.
This is a nice bike. He does the twisties with this pretty good too. He was passing fast Mike in the corners. But then everybody was. It wasn't fair. Mike throws out the anchor about 2,000 feet before the turn.
He's also laying down on the corners.
And then he winds up.
Literally.
No, this is a nice bike.
This is a great bike.
Mike has a gold wing. This is
This
Silverwing.
This
this isn't as heavy.
This is over the Goldwing by a mile.
Is this heavier than a gold wing? Do you think, or you don't know?
I don't know if it's heavier, but I think the Goldwing's a lot more balanced than this. I think.
It's probably more modern.
Yeah,
It's probably a
definitely
lot
more,
of
yeah.
modern.
Still a nice bike.
This is,
I bet your wife likes this. It looks comfortable as could be in the back.
Yeah, she's.
Karen always liked the GS when she used to ride. Oh, no, take the GS,
just
take
make
the
this
GS.
blue and red, and you're a cop.
Yeah. You don't even have to paint it.
You're a cop.
We could put on the side, you could make a decal, Brembo Police. My whole garage is stuff I got for my job, so yeah, that looks good. You need a come along.
I'm the only fool.
You need a come along.
So where'd you get the
So we're gonna, well,
This is my
it's
friend.
raining, so we may not get any painting done, but we're here for a bagel visit, I guess is the right word. See how this is coming along? Check out the paintwork. And the main thing, I would love to have those lights in my garage. I don't. I have the poverty light system.
I'm gonna put this up back in the wall.
A guy had the wheels and the frame, and I'm not sure what other parts. We have it on a previous video. I know that, the powder coating. You could search the channel with the word powder coating and it'll come up. But the powder coating on this job came out real nice. I was surprised how nice the wheels came out when he brought it to the house for the first time, but it looks even better under in the garage with those big LED lights.
When that's like I said, when that's done.
Oh, you're gonna finish that, the track bike first?
Yeah. And then this I'm gonna spend all summer trying to.
You know what, I'll tell you, because I had mine apart already. When you pull that front end apart, you won't imagine how many pieces are in there.
Yeah, I believe.
There's a lot of stuff under that fairing. And all down here, there's relays and everything. Oh man.
And relays.
Oh no, it's a big job. I was amazed. It took me 4 days to change the starter on a bike.
The day I put it on.
What master cylinder did you put on there
This
now?
is the Brembo RC Corsa Quarter. You can adjust the leverage of the lever, and you can adjust the pressure with these three knobs.
It's gone, but I just saw on eBay last night Brembo calipers for the front, $350.
I know they're big.
No,
bucks.
that's cheap because
Yeah?
the new ones are like $900 now.
What, you gonna put Brembos on this?
No. I just got good pads on this. I got the Ferroto pads, the same one I have.
Yeah.
I don't know if my 675 has the same Nissans. They're soft.
Now when
I
you got
changed
the
the
Ferrotos,
pads.
are they sintered?
Was it this that made the difference?
Guy, are the
tell you-
pads sintered that you bought?
This one.
Usually the track day ones are sintered.
I actually have a picture of the package. I'll look on my phone and I'll show you. I'm
Yeah.
not sure, but they must be, I guess, if they're for the
Yeah, they're for a track.
track. Yeah.
Yeah.
But here,
No, I have the adjustable bike, but not,
no.
not on
This
the cylinder. Yeah, yeah.
the adjustable on the master cylinder itself.
Makes a big difference.
Each one of those levers is a. So in other words, say for example you're the type of guy that brakes late, and you hit the brake hard. You can adjust this to not
Not the bike right away.
Right away. Exactly. So you could tailor it to your riding
Actually,
style.
I'm one of the few clowns that likes the bike. So the F3, the Augusta F3, MV Augusta F3, that bike's like a
So does that. So does that. Yeah.
It bites, and I love that. I'm like, I feel like I have control at
Right.
that point.
Yeah.
Because I know not to just grab everything.
Because
you know?
before it was like squeeze, 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 squeeze. And
And-
now
and
it's just
that's-
like, oh my
and
god.
my,
Yeah.
my street
Like
triple-
power brakes.
And my street
Yeah.
triple feels like it's mush, and it hits later. Like the brake grabs later, and I'm like, I hate that.
Are they the stock rotors?
Stock rotors, yes.
They're not EBCs? Okay.
Remember I painted, I cleaned them and painted.
I remember, yeah.
I rebuilt the
thing is-
calipers.
This is the original braiding, right?
No. Whoever had this before me put those lines on.
Oh, mine has the steel.
So then you probably had the 675
R.
R.
Yeah,
This
yeah.
is the regular.
Now we're going to be coming up on track day season soon, and I know he's looking to get the bike, the paint work done, and get the modifications he has in mind, and some GoPro camera mounts. We have one of his track days on the channel already, but I'm sure we're going to have more before the next track day season ends. The powder coating came out great on this.
Yeah.
Did you see the powder coating, Najat?
There was a $700 difference between the R and the non-R.
That's it?
Back then, yeah.
Oh.
Najat, did you see this powder coating
I
job?
did, I
And the wheels too. He had the wheels powder
I
coated.
like how it matches. I can't wait to see it all put together.
Well,
And then you cut them up on the rest of the track. That's exactly what I used to
but
do.
again, it's almost like some of them are intimidated by that high bank,
Yeah.
I guess. And
That's
that
what
wasn't
my
the
favorite-
case, though.
that's
You
one
can
of my
ask.
So as we always do when we get together, we had a great time. Guy bought everybody bagels for lunch, and we just have a great time no matter what we do. But it's always exciting to me to see a project come to fruition, and this has been a long time coming. I guess the next time we see it, we're going to be buffing it. I'm just guessing that. And we have a couple other little things to do on this project anyway. But track day season is coming, and we are just going to have a great time. And Guy, I have to congratulate you. The paint work you've done so far is absolutely going to be beautiful. This is going to be a fun track bike. I'm sure you're going to get a lot of years of fun out of it. And we always enjoy riding around in a Rubicon and doing some four-wheeling and popping wheelies and whatever. Thank you, Najat. Now, if you're new to our channel, we have a very, very eclectic channel. One of the new features we have now is some of the videos are grouped into groups that you can access all the videos for one category in one mouse click. And it should be very convenient and very handy. Just check out the feature on the main screen playlist. And thanks to everybody for supporting the channel. We appreciate your support, and it makes this channel possible with all the things we do, the painting, the wheels, the polishing. And please take a second or two and hit the like button. And thanks everyone for watching.